Hi, I am Wiljan T. Relativo. I lived in Malita, Davao Occidental, Philippines. I graduated with a degree of Bachelor in Secondary Education, major in Mathematics at Southern Philippines Agribusiness and Marine and Aquatic School of Technology, College of Agri-Fisheries and Marine Sciences, or SPAMAS CAFIMES, on April 2016. I've been teaching mathematics for over 8 years by now, and during that time, I've got the chance to work on two schools. I first taught at Alberto Olarte Senior National High School for 5 years and 4 months. I taught grade 7 and grade 8 mathematics. Then I decided to transfer in my hometown and currently rendering my service at Buhangin National High School. I've been teaching Mathematics 7 and Mathematics 8 in my current school for 3 years. That's all, and thank you very much.